Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw today announced that the Union Cabinet has approved 12 new industrial smart cities in different states with an outlay of rupees at 28,602 crore to boost domestic manufacturing. Out of the 12 industrial cities, 2 are coming up in Andhra Pradesh and 1 in Bihar. The government in the budget had announced the development of plug-and-play industrial parks in or near 100 cities in partnership with states and the private sector to boost manufacturing. The minister said the 12 projects worth at 28,602 crore will transform India's industrial landscape and have an employment potential of 10 lakh direct jobs and up to 30 lakh indirect jobs. Listen in.
आज बहुत बड़ा मेजर एक फैसला लिया गया है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के लिए 12 इंडस्ट्रियल स्मार्ट सिटीज। आप सब जानते हैं नेशनल इंडस्ट्रियल कॉरिडोर डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट, ये प्रोजेक्ट एक ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट है जो कि भारत की पूरी फ्यूचर डेवलपमेंट को पॉजिटिवली इम्पैक्ट करने वाला है। बहुत बड़े फैसले हुए हैं। 12 नए इंडस्ट्रियल एरियाज, 12 न्यू इंडस्ट्रियल एरियाज ऑन दी इंडस्ट्रियल कॉरिडोर्स। ये 12 नए इंडस्ट्रियल एरियाज कंबाइंड इनमें इन्वेस्टमेंट सरकार की तरफ से आएगा 28,602 करोड़ का।
Well, my colleague Vasudha Venugopal also joins us on the broadcast, getting us more on that. Well, Vasudha, big decision taken by the Union Cabinet, 12 new industrial smart cities, and that would also, this project, as Mr. Ashwini Vaishnaw informed, would generate huge employment.
Absolutely, Aditi, and Ashwini Vaishnaw, the Minister for Railways and I&B and IT, has also made it very clear that the government's focus is not just on direct employment but also on indirect employment. So 12 industrial smart cities have been announced under the National Industrial Corridor Developmental Project, and in that, of course, the name of one he didn't announce. He said that, that because the Model Code of Conduct is already in place now, that has to be either in J&K or in Haryana. The rest of all are spread across the country, and these are 12 different industrial smart cities will be coming up. And while the outlay of the project is over 28,000 crore, he did talk about something called, power. He did talk about the concept of walk to work. He basically wanted to, talk about how this would also focus on creating employment for neighborhood communities, for localized communities. And the other important project that he talked about was also this very important thing on introducing railway infrastructure projects in the east of India. Now, all these 3 are coming up in states of Jamshedpur, Bengal and Odisha. And the third important project that he talked about, something that has been waiting in the wings, is new FM radio stations, across the country. There will be around 28 cities which will be given these FM radio stations, remember, and these will be in, far off places, far flung places, people that, cities that don't really have access to a lot of communication media. And he said that localized content that people like will be something that will be played and broadcast in this radio station. So 3 important decisions there: industrial smart cities in 12, and 3 important railway projects, and FM radio stations in far-flung areas of the country.